have a snowstorm and the plow just arrived. He's been plowing the street in front of the house. There he goes. The street's completely covered with the snow. You can still see the snow coming down. There he goes. He backs up, and we live in a cul-de-sac, so it's like a circle. So he's doing little bit at a time. It's a lot of snow coming down. The entire driveway is covered. He's backing up a lot right now. Boy, it's really coming down. Now he's getting the other side. Wow, look at that coming down. That's snow. Woo! Wow, there it goes. We're gonna definitely have a snowstorm. They called it a bomb cyclone or something like that. It's like hurricane force winds with the snow. But if they keep on top of the road, then it won't get too bad. But we still have to shovel out or snow blow the driveway. There he goes, pushing it that way. I hope he gets a little bit more by the driveway though, because it's gonna be hard to get out, otherwise we're gonna have to shovel that. I hope he gets a little bit more by the mailbox there. He seems to be focusing on the other side right now. The cul-de-sac's a bit tricky because it's a circle. He's getting that side. Must be fun to do. Let's see what he does next. I hope he gets that side, the other side. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do it. He's getting that other side pretty good. But we don't really drive over there. We need to get out of our driveway. He's pushing it to the edge. Okay, come on this side. There he comes. see what he's doing. Oh, that's nice. Okay, good, good. See, it's in front of our driveway, so we're blocked in. We won't be able to drive over. That's too much snow. It'd be very difficult to drive over that. Maybe with my Jeep I could. There he goes. Now that's good. Very good. That's helpful. He's taking it from that angle like that because he knows the driveway is there, even though he can't see it. He probably figured it out. That's where the driveway is, so he's trying to push the mountain of snow to the side. Yeah. And not push it up into the driveway, because then that would make it worse for us. He's doing it from an angle. So there's a art to it, maybe. An art to it. There he goes. It's helpful. Driver's looking down. Maybe he got a text message. It's gotta be a fun job. Yeah, did a good job clearing that out. This guy knows what he's doing. It's coming down really heavy, so I'll have to come back. But at least this will help. A lot of snow. Did a good job. Wow. Probably the best snow plow we've had. Yeah, they call it a bomb cyclone here in the Northeast. Big winter storm today. There he goes. Well, now we can get out of our house after we clear out the driveway, that is.